The effect of eating eggs on the body. Eggs are often referred to as nature's perfect food. They're nutrient-dense, versatile, and an essential part of many diets worldwide. But how do eggs really affect your body? In this video, we'll examine their nutritional value, potential health benefits, how many eggs you should eat daily, and some simple ways to incorporate them into your diet. By the end, you'll understand why eggs are a cornerstone of a healthy lifestyle and how best to include them in yours. Let's dive into the scientific details and discover the power of this humble food. Eggs are a powerhouse of nutrients essential for our body's proper functioning. Each component of the egg, the white and the yolk, carries a unique array of health benefits. Let's start with their macronutrient composition. A single medium-sized egg provides approximately 6 grams of high-quality protein. What makes this protein extraordinary is that it contains all 9 essential amino acids, making it a complete protein source. This protein is essential for muscle repair, maintenance, and overall growth. Additionally, eggs include healthy fats found mostly in the yolk, which contribute to the body's energy needs. Now let's explore the vitamins and minerals packed within an egg. Eggs are an excellent source of Vitamin A, important for maintaining a strong immune system and good vision. Vitamin D, a vital nutrient for bone health and calcium absorption. It's particularly notable since eggs are one of the few natural dietary sources of vitamin D. Vitamin E, an antioxidant that protects your cells from oxidative damage. Vitamin B12, needed for red blood cell production and the maintenance of brain and nerve function. Eggs also contain essential minerals such as iron, crucial for carrying oxygen through the blood. Selenium, an antioxidant mineral that supports proper thyroid function and immune defense. Phosphorus, needed for building strong bones and teeth. A standout nutrient in eggs is choline, which is abundantly found in the yolk. Choline plays a critical role in liver function, cell membrane formation, and brain health, especially in supporting cognitive functions like memory and learning. Egg yolks also boast powerful antioxidants, lutein and zeaxanthin, which are essential for eye health by reducing the risk of chronic eye diseases, including macular degeneration and cataracts. Together, these nutrients make eggs one of the most nutritionally complete and accessible foods available. Now that we understand their nutritional profile, let's explore how eggs impact key aspects of health and wellness. One of the most debated topics about eggs has been their impact on cholesterol and heart health. Decades ago, eggs got a bad reputation due to their cholesterol content. However, modern research shows that dietary cholesterol from eggs has minimal impact on blood cholesterol in most people. In fact, eating eggs has been shown to increase levels of good HDL cholesterol, which is linked to a reduced risk of heart disease. It's also important to note that the balance of nutrients in eggs, particularly the healthy fats, supports overall cardiovascular health. Eggs are a fantastic food choice if you are trying to manage your weight. Their high protein content promotes feelings of fullness, which helps curb unnecessary snacking and reduce overall calorie intake. Considering that a medium egg contains only about 70 calories, eggs are nutrient-dense yet low in calories, making them a smart choice for people focused on healthy eating and portion control. Because eggs provide complete protein with all essential amino acids, they are ideal for muscle repair and growth. Whether you're recovering from exercise or simply working to maintain muscle mass as you age, eggs are an excellent addition to your diet. Lutein and zeaxanthin, the antioxidants found in yolks, are particularly beneficial for your eyes. These nutrients filter harmful blue light that can damage your retina and help reduce the risk of vision problems like cataracts and macular degeneration. Including eggs in your diet regularly can contribute to better long-term eye health. Eggs shine when it comes to brain health, largely thanks to choline. This nutrient is vital for the production of acetylcholine, a neurotransmitter involved in memory, mood regulation, and overall brain function. Eating choline-rich foods like eggs may improve cognitive performance and even reduce the risk of neurological decline later in life. Lastly, eggs are incredibly versatile and fit seamlessly into a variety of dietary preferences, from keto to high-protein plans. They provide a nutrient boost regardless of your eating style. While eggs are an excellent nutritional choice, moderation is key. So how many eggs can you eat in a day? For most healthy individuals, research suggests that eating 1 to 3 eggs daily is safe and beneficial. This will depend on your individual health needs, activity level, and dietary goals. Eggs contribute valuable nutrients without significantly impacting blood cholesterol for most people. However, if you have specific health concerns, such as pre-existing heart disease or high cholesterol levels, it's advisable to consult a healthcare provider for personalized dietary recommendations. Often, these individuals can still enjoy eggs in moderation without issue. It's also important to consider eggs as part of a balanced diet. Pair eggs with fiber-rich vegetables, whole grains, or lean proteins to create well-rounded meals that support your overall health. Eggs are not only highly nutritious, but also incredibly versatile in the kitchen. Here are some ideas to make eggs part of your regular meals. Boiled eggs, simple and portable, perfect for healthy snacks or as a protein boost in salads. Scrambled or omelets, a quick and customizable breakfast option. Add spinach, tomatoes, or mushrooms for extra nutrients. Egg muffins, bake whisked eggs with your favorite vegetables in a muffin tin for a convenient meal prep option. Poached eggs, grate atop a slice of whole grain toast or served alongside sautéed greens. Frittatas or quiches, excellent ways to incorporate more vegetables and protein into your meals. Eggs are also great for adding protein to lunches or dinners. Toss a sliced hard-boiled egg onto grain bowls or a small omelet into a wrap for a quick and balanced meal. By getting creative with recipes, you can enjoy eggs in countless ways that align with your dietary goals and preferences. Many misconceptions about eggs persist despite the wealth of scientific evidence supporting their health benefits. One of the most common myths is that eggs are bad for your cholesterol. While it's true that eggs contain dietary cholesterol, the body tightly regulates its own cholesterol levels based on what we consume. For most people, moderate egg consumption does not lead to harmful cholesterol levels. Another concern is over-consuming eggs. While variety in the diet is always important, up to 3 eggs a day fits well into most balanced eating plans. Studies consistently show that healthy individuals can safely enjoy eggs as a regular part of their diet. When buying eggs, consider their quality. Organic or pasture-raised eggs often have higher nutrient content, especially in the yolk. If possible, store eggs in the refrigerator to preserve their freshness and cook them thoroughly to minimize the risk of foodborne illness. Eggs are one of the most affordable and nutrient-dense foods you can buy. They provide numerous health benefits, from supporting your heart and brain to enhancing muscle strength and weight management. By eating eggs in moderation and combining them with other nutritious foods, you can greatly enhance your diet and overall well-being. So, whether you're scrambling a quick breakfast or making a vegetable-packed frittata, eggs deserve a spot in your healthy lifestyle. Embrace the versatility and benefits of this truly superfood ingredient and enjoy the positive effects they bring to your body. Thank you for watching. If you found this information helpful, be sure to share your thoughts and favorite egg recipes in the comments below. Let's connect over good health and great meals.